Are you encountering the frustrating "the current network connection has been lost" error in Helldivers 2? Don't worry, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve this issue. First, let's focus on connection optimizations. For PC players, verifying the integrity of the game files on Steam can often fix corrupted data. This process checks for any missing or damaged files and replaces them as needed. Another option is to consider disabling crossplay temporarily. While less common, some users have reported success with this method. It may limit your pool of potential teammates but could help resolve compatibility issues causing the error. If you're using Wi-Fi, switching to a wired Ethernet connection can provide a more stable and reliable internet connection, reducing the likelihood of encountering network errors. For advanced troubleshooting, consider flushing your DNS and resetting your network adapter. This can help clear out any cached data that might be causing connection problems, offering a potential solution to the error message. By following these steps, you can address the current network connection has been lost" error in Helldivers 2 and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.